Good morning. I decided to come this morning and show you how I prepared my hair last night for this morning, and then I'm going to style it. This is something I've never done before with my Sisterlocks, so I have some braids in my hair, and of course I still have to band the ends if I expect them to stay. So I'm going to quietly take it out and see how it turns out for today. My Sisterlocks has never failed me yet, and so I'm expecting that today it won't be a fail. Oh, while I'm talking, let me go ahead and thank everyone for supporting me. My channel right now, it seems to be stuck on 188. My goal for the end of the month is 250. And I need your help to reach my goal. So if you're watching this video, I want you to share it, like it, and even comment. Because I really appreciate all that you do to help me build this channel. It's taken me all of 5 minutes and 50 seconds to style my hair. I like it. I want to promise you again or reiterate to you that my videos are going to be plenty in 2020. I will share with you new things as I learn new things. I will come before you every week with something in reference to Sisterlocks. Thank you for your support. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. This is a sister who loves her locks, and my videos will be plenty in 2020. Have a good day. My jacket this morning is by Banana Republic. time now that I want to say rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.